Hey buddy, ever notice your car's AC isn't as cold as it used to be? It feels like it's just blowing warm air, right when you need it most. Studies show that over 60% of AC problems are caused by dirty or neglected parts. The good news is, you don't always need an expensive repair. Sometimes the fix is simple. Stick with me and I'll show you how to make your AC feel brand new. In the next part, we'll talk about the first hidden reason your AC loses its cool. Segment 2. One common issue is clogged cabin air filters. According to auto experts, a dirty filter can cut airflow by nearly half. That means less cold air reaching you. The solution is easy. Check and replace your cabin air filter every 12 months or 12,000 miles. You can do this yourself with a screwdriver and a few minutes of time. Keep watching, because I'll share a trick to check your AC filter without removing anything in the next segment. Segment 3. Here's the trick, brother. Just turn your AC on max and feel the airflow at the vents. If it feels weak, chances are your filter is dirty. It's like trying to breathe through a clogged mask. Replace it and you'll feel an instant improvement. Remember, small steps make a big difference. Taking care of your car little by little is better than waiting for big, costly repairs. In the next part, we'll talk about cleaning your AC vents to get the air colder and fresher. Segment 4. Dust and mold love to hide in AC vents. Research from health institutes shows that dirty vents not only block cool air, but can also spread bad odors. The solution is simple. Use a soft brush and spray a safe cleaner into the vents. This removes buildup and lets the cold air flow better. A tip here is to run the fan on high while cleaning so the system pushes the dust out. Next up, we'll uncover why the AC condenser outside your car matters more than you think. Segment 5. Buddy, the condenser is like your AC's radiator. If it's blocked by dirt, leaves, or bugs, the system can't release heat. That means your AC won't get cold. Studies from auto repair sources confirm that even a thin layer of dirt reduces efficiency a lot. The fix is simple. Spray it gently with a hose, but avoid high pressure to protect the fins. Do this once or twice a year. Coming up, I'll tell you the #1 mistake drivers make when recharging their AC. Segment 6. A lot of people rush to buy cheap refrigerant cans when their AC feels weak. The problem is, overcharging the system can damage the compressor. Experts warn that this can cost you thousands to fix. The real solution is to check the refrigerant level with proper gauges or have a shop do it. If you still want to top it off yourself, follow the instructions exactly. Here's a tip. Cooler AC doesn't mean more gas, it means the right balance. Next, let's see why using your AC in winter actually keeps it healthier. Segment 7. Sounds strange, right? But running your AC even in winter keeps the seals lubricated and prevents leaks. Studies show that AC units last longer when used year-round. The trick is to turn it on for at least 10 minutes every couple of weeks. Think of it as exercise for your AC system. Brother, remember, consistency beats neglect every time. In the next segment, I'll explain how your engine's cooling system also affects your AC. Segment 8. Your AC doesn't work alone. It depends on the engine's cooling system. If your radiator is overheating, your AC will also suffer. That's why coolant levels and radiator fans must be in top shape. The fix is easy. Check coolant regularly and make sure the fan kicks on when the AC runs. Here's a tip. Park your car in shade whenever possible, because a cooler engine helps your AC stay strong. Next, let's talk about a hidden button on your dashboard that can double cooling speed. Segment 9. Ever noticed the recirculation button? Many drivers ignore it, but when you press it, your AC recycles the already cooled air inside instead of pulling hot air from outside. According to auto experts, this can make your AC feel twice as cold in minutes. Just don't leave it on all the time because you still need fresh air. A smart move is to use it at the start, then switch back after the cabin cools. Up next, we'll dive into why your AC might blow cold, then warm, then cold again. Segment 10. That weird cycle often comes from a faulty AC clutch or low refrigerant. But don't panic. Sometimes it's just a dirty sensor. A quick solution is to clean the area around the sensor with compressed air. If the problem continues, then get it checked. Here's the tip. Always listen to your AC. Strange clicks or cycles are warning signs. Brother, stay alert and you'll save money. Next, I'll share a secret about your AC drain that most drivers never check. Segment 11. Your AC creates water as it cools. That water drains under the car. If the drain clogs, pressure builds up and cooling gets weaker. A simple way to fix it is to poke the drain gently with a soft wire or blow air into it. Do this carefully to avoid damage. Regularly checking the drain keeps your system breathing freely. Next, let's see how using the right fan speed can make your AC feel more powerful without extra strain. Many people blast the fan on max thinking it cools faster, but science says different. Medium fan speed actually cools more efficiently because it gives the air time to pass over the evaporator. That means colder air in the long run. So the tip is to start with high speed for a few minutes, then switch to medium for steady comfort. Brother, remember, patience pays off. Next, let's learn why keeping your car clean inside helps your AC last longer. Segment 13. A dirty cabin means more dust sucked into the AC system. Studies show that clean interiors lead to longer filter and AC life. Vacuum your carpets and wipe the dash often. This reduces strain on your AC and keeps the air fresh. Motivation time, buddy. Just like keeping your car clean, taking care of yourself daily makes life smoother. Small actions add up to big results. Next, we'll talk about how engine belts affect AC cooling. Segment 14. Your AC compressor runs off a belt connected to the engine. If that belt slips or wears out, cooling drops fast. The solution is to inspect belts for cracks or looseness every oil change. A cheap belt replacement now can save you from an expensive AC repair later. Tip here is to listen for squeals. It's your belt crying for help. Up next, we'll cover why parking strategies can change how cold your AC feels. Segment 15. Parking in shade or using a windshield sunshade can lower cabin temperature by up to 40 degrees according to studies. That means less work for your AC and colder air faster. The solution is simple. Keep a folding sunshade in your car and use tinted windows if allowed. Brother, remember, working smart is better than working hard. In the next segment, I'll explain how airflow direction settings can make a surprising difference. Airflow direction. When you first start your AC, set airflow to face and feet together, instead of only the windshield. This spreads cold air evenly and cools the cabin faster. Later, switch to face mode for comfort. The tip here is to avoid defrost mode unless needed, because it also runs the heater. Next, I'll show you how to test if your AC is truly performing at full strength with one simple tool. Grab a cheap thermometer and stick it in the vent. A healthy AC should blow around 40 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit on a hot day. If it's much higher, something's wrong. This quick test tells you if your AC is worth fixing early before it fails completely. The tip here is to test once at the start of summer. Brother, keep learning, keep checking, and you'll avoid surprises. Coming up, let's explore a common myth about AC and fuel use. People think AC kills gas mileage. Yes, it uses some power, but modern systems are efficient. Studies show open windows at highway speed actually burn more fuel than AC. So don't be afraid to use your AC. The real tip is balance. Use AC wisely at higher speeds and windows at low speeds. Motivation break. Just like life, balance is key. Too much of one thing can hurt, but the right mix keeps you cool. Next, let's talk about professional servicing. Segment 19. Even with DIY care, your AC needs pro attention every few years. A mechanic can vacuum out old refrigerant, replace oil, and recharge the system properly. This keeps it running like new. Think of it as a health check for your car. The tip here is to schedule service before summer, when shops get busy. Next, we'll wrap up with a quick recap and the most important step you should take today. Segment 20. So brother, here's the recap. Change your filters, clean vents, keep the condenser clear, use recirculation smartly, check belts, and test your system yearly. Do these simple steps, and your car's AC will blow twice as cold and last for years. If this helped you, like, share, and comment your experience. And remember, consult a medical professional if you have special health conditions before spending long hours in AC. Take care, and see you in the next video.